Okay, this is just going to be a quick video on system maintenance, and what I want to talk about today is pH. Now, anytime you have a system like this, you have to maintain your pH, and I'm going to tell you how I do it. I use a combination of potassium hydroxide and hydrated lime. And for my system, which is 1,200 gallons roughly, I use one teaspoon of potassium hydroxide and 1 teaspoon of hydrated lime, and I combine those in this glass jar, put some system water in there, get it all dissolved up nice, and then I put it directly into the bell siphons. I got 4 bell siphons, so I put 1/4 of a cup into each bell siphon, and then I can come back in about an hour. There's some of my neighbors, they like to ride by playing their loud music and wonder what the hell I'm doing over here. But anyway, in a nutshell, that's how I control my pH. I use a 50-50 combination of the hydrated lime and the potassium hydroxide, which is also potash, and it works great. That combination of 1 teaspoon each will raise my pH 1/10 of a point, and that's how I do it.